Today I'll be unboxing some USB-C type adapters, micro USB to USB-C. They're sold in a set of three for $5.99 by seller EasyULT. Not too many reviews, but I thought I'd give it a try since they're so cheap. Ship Amazon Prime, so I didn't have to pay for shipping. Well, I did pay for shipping, but it was through Amazon Prime. These are the converters. I'm gonna test them with these Aukey brand micro USB cables. One thing to note about these generic adapters, so it's a USB Type C 3.1. Then here you have your USB. These are rated to convert up to 3 amps of current. But the phone that I'm using this on is a Blu Vivo XL that only uses 2 amps. So let me give that a try to see if they work, these three, at least work for initial testing, and I'll provide a follow-up when I can charge the phones with these three adapters. So I'm going to try my test with the three adapters that were sent to me. Aukey cable, my 2 amp blue charger, this fits pretty perfectly. Then I'll plug it in. And it's charging. Let's try the other adapters. Again, I would typically let it charge much longer. I'm just seeing if it at least recognizes and charges. This one's charging. So I'll give it another review after I've tried it some more. Forgot which one it was. You can see just by the blue light it's charging. So they all seem to be charging. I'll do some more testing and hopefully all the adapters work just fine. So after charging each one for a few minutes, I tried each adapter, charging it up to 2%, and it worked just fine after a few minutes. So all the adapters came in working fine. I'll let you know if they end up dying or anything, but so far so good.